Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we've got this Skoda Octavia VRS in for a bunch of power upgrades. So we're going to be installing a RacingLine ECU upgrade, as well as the full intake package on the car. So replacing that really restrictive standard intake, releasing all of those amazing turbo sounds, and also some extra horsepower in combination with the ECU software. So let's get the car in the dyno, let's see what the stock power is, get the hardware fitted, and then get it flashed with the stage 1. And then we'll talk to you about the results at the end of the video. So the work's been finished on the Skoda Octavia. We've got the results behind us. So the red lines is when the car arrived, so how we benchmarked it, completely standard, unmodified. And then the blue lines is with the 4-piece intake with the RacingLine ECU software applied as well. So standard, the car benchmarked at 273 horsepower and 433 Newton meters of torque. With the software and the intake system, we've gone all the way up to 322 horsepower and 528 Newton meters of torque. So you've gained around about 49 horsepower and just under 100 Newton meters of torque as well. And as you can see, the gains are all the way across the rev range, right from down as low as sort of like 2,500 RPM right to the rev limit. So it's a massive difference before and after for the customer. If you're looking at any of this type of work to be carried out on your VW, Skoda, Audi or Seat, then definitely go into the description where you can find all the parts and also contact us to have it done here. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.